Okay, so today, as you can see, we are going to do another Ooshie video. Okay, so today we are going to be opening 10 more Ooshies for our collection. Now since we have most of the Ooshies, for me, I think that they're going to be mostly doubles, but it'll be really cool to see if we got any of the 4 Ooshies that we don't have. Okay, so now let's start. Me first. Nala, and yes, it is another double, but meh. Another Kamnala. Okay, the third one. That was a nice catch. Pull it open. There we go, it's a double. And then it's Pumbaa. Whoops. Sorry about that. I guess this will be a triplet. A triple. And guess this one. It's Golden Simba. And it is another triple. Oh, I can trade with my friend tomorrow. This packaging is a bit hard. It's a Cub Simba. And we got Mufasa. Mufasa, yes, finally we have one that we didn't have ever before. So this is going to be the special one of the day. Nice catch. Okay, let me guess. This is either a double or a new one. Oh no, I guessed it wrong. It's a triple. I guess this will be a triple again. And it's 4, and we have now 4 of them. Correction, this is 3 of them. Okay, and now for the second last one. Wait, the last one? Second last? Okay, oh, no one cares. And it's a triple Golden Nala. Okay, is this a Golden Zazu or is it a Zazu? It's a Zazu, one that we didn't have before. Yay! So, in today's video, we've opened 10 ooshies. And out of those 10, 8 out of 10, or if I simplify it, 4 out of 5 ooshies that we opened are doubles. So today we have got two ooshies that are new for us. So now let's add them to our collection. So here are the ooshies lined up. Now let's count how much ooshies we have now. 45 ooshies, and we need 2 more to finish the collection, and that is the regular Rafiki and gold scar. Thank you for watching.